Color temperatures serve several purposes. We see different moods emerge depending on the dominant temperature in a painting. Color temperature can impact our perception of depth within a scene, and it also tells us where the sunlight and shadow are in our painting. We can use warm colors and cool colors strategically in our painting. When we place a warm color beside a cool color, it will generally cause the cool object to recede, to appear behind the warm object. As a general rule of thumb, warm colors advance, cool colors recede. We've noticed already in our reference photo that far-off areas tend to be mostly blue. Shadow areas can also be cool in temperature on the blue to violet scale, and areas hit by sunlight are going to be warmer in temperature, have that beautiful golden glow. Color temperature is also relative, and you can see that with this sheet I've prepared here. I've got a cool blue surrounded by a neutral, by a cool violet, and by a warm orange. Each of these colors changes the look of the blue inside of it. And we see that also in our reference image. If you have a cold blue mountain with violet shadowed trees beneath it, the trees are going to look much warmer than the mountain. But if those same trees are beside sunlit yellow-green bushes, warm colors, the trees will look very cool in temperature. So how we place our colors is really going to affect their temperature and mood. This is a fun trick to know, because that means if we have an image that has a ton of cool tones, we can really create some heat by throwing in warmer tones. And that draws a lot of attention.